Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, there's a common mistake that many people do that we should not, especially when we spend a lot of money on our car. Many people have a car like their dream, where they just wash it every day, take ample care. But after all that, there is an area where many people don't invest because probably they think it's not important, but actually it is, especially in adverse situations. Let me tell you what happened. One of my friends who was driving, he was hit, a back hit by a semi truck, and truck just moved away. It was like a hit and run situation. By the time he could come out of the car and noted the details, the semi truck was gone, and it was heavy traffic. Like there was no way he could just sought help from people to get the details of the truck that did this to him. And why he could not get the details, he has not claimed yet. And he said he would get it repaired because I think it's gonna cost him around $1,000 some dollars. So he said the reason why it did happen and he could not do anything is because he did not have a dash cam. Guys, I strongly suggest you guys, based on what I have seen here in Canada or anywhere, install a dash cam, front and rear both. You don't know how useful it can be in adverse situations. I use both front and rear. It's really good because in adverse situations, and in order to make insurance claims, and in order to prevent you from insurance frauds where people just unnecessarily or knowingly get hit by your car, okay, it protects you all a lot. Okay, and if you want to take my opinion, this is just one time expense, so buy a very high quality, good quality and good storage dash cam, and when you travel with one additional memory card. In case of any event, anything that has been captured, take the memory card, save it, and put other memory card in the camera. And just don't let the card go like that. Transfer it to a mobile or any other device first. Have it backed up. This really helps, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.